Yes, man.
It's another beautiful Sunday. You wake up, you're not got church today. You just enjoy the tranquility that Sunday brings. You chill a little bit. But you're not ready for them level of chill there. No chair, no hammock, no TV. Just lay down on a piece of chain and a swing in the most unbothered of ways.
Never had been seeing this yet.
But when chilling time done, I time to start prepare for Sunday dinner. You go check the fridge, find out say the fridge stop work. So all of the meat spoil. So you say, alright, make we carry the fridge go get it fixed. But the Crosses had other plans of giving out facial reconstruction surgery via cardboard. Hambasi was unwillingly the first to collect in line. I say, alright, you know what, we cancel the fridge fixing plans and just go shop and buy the chicken. And when you dip in your pocket and come up, it's just a source of 50 come out.
But the man, find back some shop alive.
You must be you. Come out
in here.
All me have to say is, He lives, He lives, He lives. I know that Sam Sharp is alive, yes he lives. He lives. I remember him, a half one descendant, Sam Dull.
Find back some shop alive.
So since you realize say you're broke, you say, you know what? I gotta trust it. And Miss Pearlie know you. So she will give you. She knows you're good feet. And then here comes Larry on the bike. You did a think for ask him to drop you at the shop, but one mind say no bother. The bike barely move. Fling him off, clot him down. That's why you never bother, cause the whole community knows say Larry can't ride. Larry got through bike like how Chinese restaurant use rice. So you left Larry and nurse for him little scrapes and bruises and you start walk. When you start walk, a Mass Drew truck that a come. Mass Drew stop drive it cause he get old, but his son take up the job. A long time Mass Drew have it a carry load, but all old truck. So it's same time in a fear mind you start thinking now, how we don't mash up yet? And before you thought could have done. That truck was battered and tired, and since it was not going to be willingly retired, it shedded all load, including the driver. And took a forceful leave of absence.
Can I get a what?
What? After we judge witness, you decide say you go stop by the church just to give God thanks. And also for people and see what going. When you look inside, this is what you saw. No, Brother Thomas, I enjoy morning breakfast. He look like he leave out extra early to make sure say he catch most of the service. So he never get in regular breakfast. He buy two little things now, piece of pulao or soda, and that him a mash down in our church.
That's rich.
You never stay too long though, so you make your move, boom, you reach our shop. Only if the mechanic pull up in a theme car, well, what is left of it? He say, I'm gonna help Mass Joe's son run down the truck because he still a tear down the common and he can't run it down on foot.
You don't come from planet Earth.
Anyways, you order your chicken, but Miss Pearlie, she said she never have none pan the fridge. So she sent her grandson figure sort out one. Now Miss Pearly grandson, the boy love eagle. So he come back round but he have something better than chicken.
Wait for it.
Look at my face. Babe, look funny.
Well, we know who are the idiot and who almost blind.
Look funny.
So after Miss Pearl said to him, "No fuck are you?" A joke man, Miss Pearl she never said that, you know. Miss Pearl, I see him smart. You can anyone you want to call her. Miss P. She cuss him out.
A mascot. A circus you want.
And him go round, go sort out the real chicken, and you get it. And you left it shop. You get a drive for Eddie. Eddie say him a drive up and down. Old man in a look for him donkey. Cause donkey runway. He ma prepare the donkey for Donkey Fashion Week.
Something alright?
The donkey rather bear a heavy load than to look like Papi Show.
Something alright, yeah.
So since you don't find Eddie donkey now, Eddie never bother drop you all the way at your yard. He left you halfway and turn back. Go pick up the donkey, say I carry the donkey home. But you never mind still, cause you did want to stop to get some coconut for rice and peas.
Mira el bicho como va, weón. Pareció.
I do not know what is more surprising, the length of that coconut tree or the fact that no harnesses were used to climb. Regular people would have think say you have to be nutty in the head if you go climb a tree like that the way you did.
Say, "Qual you to your band, pull it up."
But give thanks your skill. And you know if you climb good. But Papa Jesus, one wrong move and the pearly gates would have had a new resident.
God go with him, you know. We now go with him.
Anyways, you have your chicken and your coconut. Sunday dinner go nice. Almost reach your gate and you see your mad uncle with a hammer in her hand. But him a do renovations with people still in her house. Let us just say Sunday dinner is delayed or cancelled and the hospital trip has begun. What kind of cross is this in the Sunday? Yeah? Look people, thank you for your videos and your video suggestions. Hit the like button, hit the share button, and definitely subscribe. This is K2K. You think it, you believe it, and you live to achieve it.